Alright guys, welcome to the channel. My name is John. In today's video, I'm just going to share with you guys my experience of the used vehicle I just bought. It's a 2012 GMC, has navigation and everything. However, the navigation doesn't work. It keeps on saying like map disk error and then please insert the disk, even though the disk is already in the system. So what I did was I Googled it, and it says that this is a very common error on the GMC, and some of the customers actually have the dealership check it out, and they were quoting like $2,500 to replace the whole head unit, and some even said like, you know what, just to buy an updated disc and it'll be corrected. And one of the customers actually bought the disc. It's like $180 according to his testament, and still it didn't work. And so one of the solution that he did was went to I'm not sure Best Buy or Walmart, but to buy like a disc cleaner. And this is exactly what I just bought. I just came back from Best Buy. It's like $10, and voila, after I input it, it ran for about 45 seconds to a minute, and then now it detects. So you don't have to spend. Oh, there we go. Oh man, for a second I thought it's not gonna work, but there you go. You can see that it's working. Everything looks good. So yeah, once again, I just want to share my experience with you guys. So if you guys have a GMC Acadia or the Traverse, some of those American cars made by the same company, you know, you might want to check it out. Buy this one right here from Best Buy. Again, I'm not sponsored by Best Buy, but I just want to make a quick video and share with you guys, the audience, just in case if you guys run into the same stuff that I'm into. And you know, thank God, I actually tried to clean the inside with the alcohol rub and with the con swap. I did all that stuff, but it didn't work. And I actually went to Walmart and bought the one with the paste, where it asked me to do the disc cleaning, you know, all that stuff too. It's like $7.99. It didn't work. But this one, guys, it will work, and it did work for me. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys liked the video, it somehow helped you out, or if you tried it and it worked for you, thank you very much. And you know, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.